Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to Hyundai stand here in Frankfurt Motor Show, where today we have an exclusive chance to see the all-new i30 and Project C. Now you may be familiar with the i30N, so the sportiest version of the i30, and this time we have the Project C, a special edition model limited to only 600 examples on Europe. You do have some new elements and we will start with the front. So you have a new front splitter, full in carbon. Then you have the larger air inlets, also some aerodynamic parts over here. You have a completely carbon fiber hood. Then you have the wheels, which are actually inspired by motor racing, as said by Hyundai. They do look very cool indeed. I believe those are the 19-inch ones. Yeah, 19-inch wheels. Then you have also this element here. Let me show you from this angle. So carbon fiber and some aerodynamic parts over there. The car is finished in this sort of satin gray, I would say. And let me show you a bit of the interior, which will come to shortly after. So a lot of Alcantara wheels, they do look very good. Okay, so here is the car from behind, and you are noticing also some new parts here. Carbon fiber diffuser with dual exhaust pipes, and the exhaust sound is crazy of this one. I filmed actually the regular i30N, so there will be a video somewhere here. Go watch it to see how crazy the car sounds. But overall it's really nice to see this full carbon diffuser. Really love it. Overall the car looks very aggressive and mean, just like it should look. You do have this spoiler over there, which is pretty much the same as on the regular one, and then you have the third light, braking light, here in this unusual shape. So this is the way the car looks from this angle. I love it, really. I love it, and I'm sure the car is capable of putting a smile on your face, that's for sure. Let's come here to see the technical details of the car. So 2-liter petrol engine. Let's see the technical data for the car. So we do have 275 horsepower. So this is the performance, i30N performance, same specs as this in terms of the engine. You have acceleration 6 seconds to reach 100, 19-inch wheels, and let's see the prices. So i30N performance starts from 33,000 euros. However, this one, but you must remember this is the limited edition one, so it will probably keep the value. So exhibited vehicle price is 43,000 euros, and you have some of the things that are here standard, and the highlights are of course things such as the carbon fiber front bonnet and this special 19-inch motorsport-inspired wheels. And let me show you the car from this angle. Really looks very good. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the engine. So 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 275 horsepower. Let's take a look at the interior now. I'm noticing this is new. So you have the N Sport seats with Alcantara and this nice orange part in the middle. You have a new steering wheel, full Alcantara with the orange stitching. Let me move up a bit. So this is what you have inside. This is the button for your different driving modes, and this is the button when you press it, the magic happens. This is the N mode button. The car comes to life, the exhaust starts to pop and bang, and also the car gets even stiffer than it is, and the throttle response is even better. So definitely great button. This is classic analog cluster. Then you have the sort of floating screen over there. I don't know if I can turn it so that you can see some of the options. No, but this is pretty much standard as on the regular i30N. So you do have a screen with some different info about your driving and so on. But I love the steering wheel with Alcantara and this red stitching and sign over here, improved over the regular version. And I love this gear lever of the manual gearbox. Of course, this car comes only with the manual. I love that. So they will maybe introduce the dual clutch automatic later on the i30N, but for now we only have manual, and I think this is good because this is the old school sports car, I would say. You have a really good feeling. I drove the i30N for a few days. It was insane, really a great feeling inside, and really brings a smile on your face, especially since it's very, very loud. Handbrake is also here with the Alcantara. You have the cup holders over there, some USB port aux also. Here you can see, so i30 and Project C number 000. Okay, maybe this is the prototype or the first one, but actually they will only make 600 of them. Unfortunately, only 600, yeah, and only for European buyers. So if you are watching this and you're not from Europe, unfortunately this car is not available in your market. And since the i30N is selling very, very well, I think that, you know, it will be sold out very, very soon. So let me take a closer look once again at these seats. They do look very, very nice. Look at this. So orange seat belts, also nice little detail, and overall I think this car will be so much fun to drive. Okay, so let's focus on the name now. So why Project C? Well, actually there's an explanation. There's the Area C, so that's the test track in Hyundai Development Center, and they named it after it because this car was tested there, did a lot of laps and you know, testing that is required for a car like this, a proper hot hatch. So it's cool that they used this name for this limited edition. And also let me show you here, this is the trunk, but this is an interesting part. So in order to be even more stiff, they, you know, installed this part over there. That's the same as on the regular i30, but yeah, I love this satin finish. So yeah, really a proper hot hatch. It's nice to see that Hyundai is doing you know, something that a lot of other manufacturers don't do these days, a proper manual gearbox, you know, hot hatch, great sounding car. So something that you don't see that often in today's market. Okay guys, so this was the first look at this very special limited edition Hyundai. Do subscribe to the channel to see more from the Frankfurt Car Show. If you want to see how this car sounds, I mean how does the regular i30N sound, go to my video with the exhaust sound. And that's it, see you on the next video. Bye bye.